Hey guys, Matthew Byers here, Six Figure Ecom Academy. We're going to be going over the best Shopify apps that will help you increase your sales in 2019. Not only will they help you increase your sales, but they'll also help you increase your conversions as well. These are apps that we use currently in our stores that helped us generate over $1.8 million in sales last year. And everything changes in e-commerce. What used to work doesn't work anymore. Facebook is definitely not the same. Social media is not the same. People are getting used to certain tricks and tactics and strategies that have been used, and so you can't use them. So these work absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so we'll go into the top five right now. All right. So the first one, at number five, would be Welio. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll show you what Welio does. So it's extremely important to make sure that you turn traffic that you don't own. So there's two types of traffic. There's traffic that you own and traffic that you don't own. So traffic that you don't own is, let's say, you have a site on Google, right? Let's say you have a site, you have it on Google, and someone goes to your site and they end up purchasing. Okay, great. I know people that have made, so much money in sales, but Google changes their algorithm and all of a sudden their page isn't showing up anymore. And all of a sudden their money dries up. And so that's traffic that you don't own. But traffic that you do own is someone where you go to their site, you capture their email address, and now you can market them. And now you have yourself a repeat customer, a VIP customer, or if they don't buy, which by the way, 70 to 80% don't. Okay. They need to see your website an average of 5 to 6 times before they purchase, so you can email them. And so that's why Welio is so amazing, is it allows you to capture way more email addresses, all right? And so with Welio, our email and messenger list has grown 2 times faster. Okay, so not only do you get their email address, but you can capture their Facebook profile through Messenger, and Messenger has a 90% open rate, right? So there's a whole gamified nature with this app that makes it very cool and very fun. So people get to spin, and when they spin, they get a discount of either 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever you want to make it. And you can actually program the wheel to where, let's say the 30% off one, right, which shows on there, only shows up maybe like 1 out of 1,000 times, right? Maybe the 15% shows up 1 out of 50 times, right? So a little bit more, but not as much as like the 30%. And then there's the 5%, 10%, whatever. It's a win-win because the customer gets a discount, and it's a win because you get the email address and the messenger. And so the revenue that you're going to make per customer will definitely go through the roof. It's a fun way to incentivize customers not only to make a purchase right then and there, right? Because if, let's say they were gonna click off, right? So it comes off when they click off. Now they get to spin, they get 10% off, 5% off, whatever you set it. And so now you get a purchase instead of someone leaving your site. Plus you get their email address or their messenger through Facebook, and you can email them later on and get a repeat purchase. So it's an absolutely amazing app. So let's go to the next app. So the next app is called Refersion. And Refersion is great because essentially now you have sales reps that are actually working for you. You can incentivize people who actually purchase through your website to go out and refer other customers to purchase from you. Because if they go out and they refer customers to you and someone goes to your site and they purchase, they're going to earn a commission. You can set it to where they earn 10%, 15%. We set it to where they earn 10% commission. So like if we are selling, let's say, let's say yoga pants, right? And those yoga pants we set it for $50. They'll make $5. We'll make $45, and whatever our profits is, great. They're going to make $5, and so it incentivizes people to go out and refer people to you. So it's cool because there's scoreboards, there's leaderboards. People will be competing to refer the most amount of customers to you. You'll find that you'll have just regular old customers going out there and creating YouTube videos, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, promoting your brand, promoting your website, and this increases your sales through through the roof. So this is an amazing one. The amount of sales we've been able to generate from this app and referrals has paid for this service 20-fold. It's extremely useful. It just allows people, you can actually find people that are even bloggers, influencers, they just become ambassadors, all right? So it's essentially an ambassador program, and it creates lots of value. So at the very end, a little pop-up will appear after someone purchases, and it'll ask them if they want to earn commissions for referring people to your site. So it's an amazing app here. Okay, and the number 3 most important app that you can have is it's called Reit Cart. Okay, Reit Cart is an amazing app. Let's go ahead and we'll go to Reit Cart. So what Reit Cart does is it allows you to capture abandoned carts. So when someone goes to your site, let's say they go to a product page that maybe you captured them organically or through Google. Okay, they go to your site, your page, and they add a product to their cart, and then they end up abandoning it. You'll find that over 50% of carts are abandoned. And so what Reit Cart does is when someone adds a product to their cart, you see right here how there's a little send to messenger icon. So what you need to do is ask Facebook if they'll approve you, and you'll get the automatic check mark. So if someone adds something to cart, it's automatically checked that they want to get updates. They want to essentially get marketed, right? And so you're capturing all of these messengers, right? And you can make it to where an hour later it says, "Hey, you forgot something. Come back." Right? And people get busy, right? So they'll say, "Oh, okay, that's right. I had this in my cart." And then maybe you set it up to where 8 hours later it says, "Hey, you left something in your cart. Hurry, it's almost sold out. Here's 15% off discount," and you can attach a code that's like cart 15 to it. Now the beauty about Reit Cart is it's 90% open rate when it involves Messenger instead of 5 or 10% with email, and so everyone sees it, and you'll capture so many abandoned carts, and you increase your sales tremendously because of that. So you'll be able to drive back cart abandoners. Also, you can send receipts as well. So if someone ends up purchasing, you can send them a receipt. And you could send them discount codes through that receipt where you say, "Thank you so much. Here's a discount code you can use over the next 30 days. So you'll get a repeat customer that way. And also, you can market to them as well. Instead of sending emails, send them Facebook newsletters and whatnot. So it's absolutely an incredible app. And we use this. It's just incredible to our growth. So Reit Cart is an amazing app as well. Number 2 most important app is going to be Yotpo reviews. All right, so let's go ahead and go into Yotpo. Oh, by the way, they also have a 28-day free trial as well. So Yotpo is a free app. It starts out free. And we say this is the second most important app because reviews are absolutely essential. We are in the review society now, okay? So like Amazon, why are they so successful? Amazon's extremely successful because they have 2-day shipping, and because the distribution, they have reviews, right? People are reviewing these, right? So people look at reviews, right? Price, and they look at reviews. And so with Yotpo, what it does is you can collect way more product reviews. If someone ends up buying a product, you can have it set to where it sends them an email automatically asking for them to review the product. And that review will then go onto your website. And so let's say over the course of a month or 2 months, you end up getting 20 purchases, and you end up getting, now 10 to 15 reviews, or instead you would get 0. Now, the next time someone goes to your product page, they see those reviews, you're able to put on the site only the reviews that you choose. So let's say that you get, 20 sales and 19 of them are 1-star reviews, horrible ratings, but that one is a 5-star review. You can choose just to put that 5-star review up. Now, here's the thing, right? You want to make it look like, you don't want to have just the 5-star reviews out there, because customers are smart, ladies and gentlemen. They know this, okay? So they want to see the 3-star reviews. They want to see the 4-star reviews. That tells them that it's real, that it's not made up. So make sure that you guys are very selective, okay? But this really does help with your conversion rate. We saw our conversion rate just skyrocket after this. We've received 10 times the amount of reviews, which just has helped a ton, okay? So make sure you guys get this app here. Again, it is free, and it'll help you. You can even have ratings and photos. So customers will put photos, because in the email it will ask them to. And so they'll post photos. So when someone goes to your site, they not only see the reviews, but they see photos of the customers in the reviews. So it's an amazing conversion enhancer. The number one app to increase your sales, and we've tested many, is Smart Cart upsells through the Smart Cart Upsell app. So let's go ahead and go there. Okay, so Smart Cart Upsell app. So this is an amazing app that we use that has been instrumental in increasing our monthly revenue. Our sales has gone through the roof. We've had an average order size that went up over 30%. People went from buying one item to average of about 3 items. And so what happens is what you can do is you can set up what we call upsells and cross sells. So you can do different types of bundles. So like, let's say someone goes to your site and they go to a product page, like a shirt page, right? When they check out, it'll offer them free shipping. Or if they were to add more items, they can get 20% off or 25% off, or you can do buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one half off, or buy 3, get 1 free. And that pops up. So you can have different codes like, hey, spend $50, get $10 off, spend $100, get free shipping. So you get to go in here. If you see here, you can name the bundle, you can put the title of it, put a description. The best thing about this app is that the customer does not have to put the code in. It automatically goes in and enters the code for them. So that is amazing. So you just choose the product, like if you want them to have this, or maybe it's the shirt, okay, and then you can then choose what they're going to see, and then you just add that. So if you go here, you can see, let's say we click on this bag right here, okay, and let's say the customer adds it to their cart, and they end up checking out. Here it pops up. It says, buy a combo bag, get a free clutch. So you get to choose what this is. This is the description. You make the description. All they have to do is add it to the cart. It says, congratulations, you got a free clutch. See the gamification here. That's amazing. And then now it's automatically, the discount code is automatically in there. And so we've gone through a lot of other upsell apps and cross-sell apps. The discounts weren't there. We've tried many, and we had some where like the items would pop up and offer it, but no one would ever purchase. So we've seen our revenues skyrocket with this. So customers, they end up purchasing items that they normally would not have. Your return on investment is amazing. It generates an extra 33% in sales that we've seen on average. It increases your average order size as well. So this is absolutely essential. Definitely the number one app. Now, they're all important for sure, but you definitely want to have that one. The reviews is important, and abandoned carts is definitely important as well. I would say definitely at least the top 3. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in to the best Shopify apps of 2019 that will help you increase your conversions and your sales. If you want more information and more tips and tricks to success in e-commerce for 2019, go to sixfigureecomacademy.com and you can find all the information you need there. Okay, my name is Matthew Byers. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.